Today we're going to talk about the TAG micro lathe with the 300-64 pulley option. That's this kit right here. This is called the 300-64 kit. It has the headstock pulley and the motor pulley, and it costs $60. And you could buy the kit by itself. It's $60 plus shipping and tax wherever you're located. You'll have to take this one off, and you have to heat this one up pretty good, loosen it up here and heat it up pretty good, probably with a little Burnsomatic torch to pull that off of there. But once you do, you'll slide these right on and it'll work just fine. It comes with the proper size belt. Now the RPM on this is pretty cool. It's 450 RPM here, 775, 1200, the position that it's in now, and 1800. The whole thing works really, really well. For $60, it's a real good deal.